Say goodbye to frustrating plastic containers that crack, leak, and stain your food. JoyJolt joyful glass storage containers are here to revolutionize your kitchen. These beauties come in a variety of shapes and sizes, offering the perfect solution for meal prepping healthy lunches, storing leftovers, or organizing your pantry. Made from premium, shatter-resistant borosilicate glass, they can handle the heat oven safe, the cold freezer safe, and even reheat leftovers in a snap microwave safe, containers only. The secure lids with a leak-proof, airtight silicone seal lock in freshness and flavor, keeping your food delicious and preventing fridge odors or lunch bag disasters. Enjoy peace of mind with a generous 12-month warranty and elevate your kitchen style with sleek, sustainable glass containers. Don't ditch the plastic and embrace JoyJolt joyful for a happier, healthier you. Check the video description below where to buy them, link in description. Don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen gadgets videos.